Greetings from downtown Cleveland, Ohio. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, 2025, about 8:36 a.m. and 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Feels like about 31. If you've ever wondered how they assemble the Christmas tree, they're in the process of doing it right now. You can see there's like a lot of mini outlets on all the things that attach to the tree. They already have, like, they were working on the base yesterday when I passed by on the bus. But you can see how they're like climbing the ladder to secure the other parts. I mean, I still remember when they would have like an actual real Christmas tree that they would bring in each year. You know, I thought that was always cool, but it's understandable, you know, why they shift to this. I mean, when I think back to when I was growing up, we never did a real tree, and I loved the tree we had and putting it up every year. Yep, in a couple weeks though, Friday at the end of November, I believe that's when they're doing this year's Winterland, where they'll be officially lighting the tree. So that'll be a busy day in downtown Cleveland. We'll be back in December, though, to film as much holiday-related stuff in the city of Cleveland that we can, including our annual downtown Cleveland walkthrough, and also capture, hopefully on a nice weekend evening, when the ice skating rink is up. That's another thing I believe they're working on. Like, you see the pallets of stuff over there, and also the two trailer bins, and also that blue thing there. All those are equipment you would see in the past when the ice skating rink is beginning to be set up. One other note, which I hope to capture in December, is when it becomes dark up until 11 o'clock p.m., every hour on the hour, for it's about a 5-minute show, they do like a light show in downtown Cleveland with lights and music, and it's supposed to be projected on Terminal Tower and several of the other buildings, including Old Stone Church and I believe Key Tower and the Huntington building. If you enjoyed this short video, oh look, they plugged it in to quickly test some of the lights. Probably want to make sure it's working along the way. If you enjoyed this preview, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.